Hello friends, today for your trip around the world we are learning about Christmas in Italy and Germany. Let's start with a little bit about Christmas in Italy. In Italy, the Christmas season lasts 3 weeks. It starts 8 days before Christmas. The first 9 days, with Christmas Day as the ninth day, is known as Novena. These 9 days are full of prayers and worship. Christmas celebrations go all the way until January 6th, which is known as the Day of Epiphany. Italians decorate for Christmas with flowers, trees, and other Christmas decorations. Most families display a presby, a nativity scene. The Italians are very fond of the nativity scene. Creating the nativity scene actually originated in Italy. Children don't open their presents until January 6th, the day of Epiphany. On this day, the children wait for a visit from the good witch on a broomstick named La Befana. According to the legend, the three kings told La Befana that the baby Jesus was born, but she was busy sweeping and delayed going to see the baby. She missed the star, lost her way, and has been flying around her broom ever since. She slides down chimneys, leaving presents for the children and searching for baby Jesus. Over here is a picture that you can practice what we just read about by taking the words in the word bank and putting them in the correct blanks. Now, a little bit about Germany. Christmas in Germany. It's famous for its Christmas markets. From the beginning of Advent, booths and stalls are set up selling everything you need for Christmas. Advent is the 4 weeks leading up to Christmas. In many homes in Germany, Advent wreaths are placed on the middle of the table and with 4 candles inside. One candle is lit each Sunday before Christmas, and the last one is lit on Christmas Eve. Many children use Advent calendars to count down the days until Christmas. The Christmas tree originated in Germany. The children don't help with the decorating of the tree, and it isn't put up until Christmas Eve. The children are told to go into another room while the mother and father decorate it. Then a bell is rung to signal that they are allowed to come and see the tree with all the presents below it. The children do get to help decorate gingerbread houses, which originated in Germany. Many homes are also decorated with various nutcrackers. Children ask for presents by writing letters to Christkind, the Christ child. Children don't necessarily think Christkind is the Christ child, but think that she is a girl with Christ-like characteristics. They put the letter in an envelope and add some glue and sprinkle sugar on it so it sparkles on the windowsill. In learning more about Christmas in Italy, you may watch this video. If you are interested in learning a little bit more about Christmas in Germany, here is a video as well. For your assignment today, you will click here to upload a picture of your work, and what you're going to do is write a sentence about something you learned. So you're going to pick Christmas in Italy or Christmas in Germany, and I want you to write a sentence. I learned that, and tell me something new you learned about Christmas in one of these countries. As always, if it is too hard for you to upload a picture of your work, you may text or email a picture to your teacher of your work.